Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. This is my stack of 2x6s that's going to a friend's. And that's one reason I've been doing the milling instead of working on the sawmill. And as a result, I have got a sawdust pit full of sawdust because I never finished the chain that's the elevator that's going to evacuate the sawdust. So my project here today is going to get this sawdust pit cleaned out, and this is the apparatus that I've got put together that I've got to get hooked up to that chain so it'll go. And say hi, Mary.
Hello.
I've solicited Mary to help me here. I'm going to crawl down in there and fill a bucket and sit it out here, and she'll pull it back to where I can get to it with the bobcat to go spread it. Anyway, it's a cold morning. We had about 5 below this morning, and it's about 10 o'clock now, and we've got 5 above, so we've warmed up 10 degrees here this morning. So anyway, that's what we got going on. You don't need to go quite that far if you don't want.
Oh, I was just thinking it'd be easier for me. Boy, that was quite a pile of sawdust come out of that hole. Anyway, I'll go ahead and just knock this off a shorter video. I'm gonna let it warm up this afternoon a little bit with that sun coming out before I come and start finishing things up here and getting that piece installed. So that's where we're at. Appreciate you guys watching, and like and subscribe.